Oh, God.
I want to introduce you to my beautiful Electrovoice 664 microphone I'm going to be using today. This song is sent out to my third ex-wife, her sister, and that girl that I took out on the prom back in 1979. I hope y'all watch it. This song was also written by my wonderful little nephew Roger. One of the best songs that's ever been written. I hope you enjoy it. This is Love Child. Ready? Let's go, boys. Someday I won't come running when you call. The way you hurt me, it's a wonder I'm still here at all. Someday you're gonna wake up and find yourself alone. Clock stuck in teardrops, I'll be gone. I can't go on the way you make me feel. You make me cry, and every time you expect me to forgive. Someday you're gonna wake up to cold and lonely dawn, and lock, stock, and teardrops, I'll be gone. Just like that time I caught you with that guy and you said you was your cousin, you know? I didn't believe you. But I guess since this is goodbye, I'm gonna let you know that me and your mama, that's right, we was cousins too. Got that off my chest. Oh, someday I'll wake up and find the strength to carry on. And lock, stock, and teardrops, I'll be gone. Stuck into teardrops, lock, stuck into teardrops. Sing it, baby. I'll be gone. Catch that girl singing in the background. She's pretty hot. I'm ready for some love. This is your love child. Baby. It's rough.
Did somebody fart? Silly!